Hey guys, so today I'm going to do my first test of the new Glow Recipe Papaya Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. And I'm just about to use it. I am shocked by how giant this box is. So you're getting, it seems like a good amount, 3.4 ounces. That's a lot, 100 milliliters. Although they do say to apply it generously, which I'm good at that. Anyway, so I just scanned the ingredient list before I was about to use it just to see if there's anything I should be paying attention to. And I will say I'm not excited to see capsaicin or capsicum fruit extract. That is a relative plant to other like pepper ingredients and has a potential to be sensitizing. So I'm not super excited to see that in here. However, it's still a rinse-off product, so it's not as big of a deal for something you leave on. Also looks like they've got a couple other fragrant ingredients. So let me just open the box here and see what I find. Let's see. Oh, I love when they include a nice spatula, a giant spatula at that. That's always a good thing. And here is the jar. Very nice. I would have no problem finding that on my countertop. My countertop was totally under control for like 3 months, and then the last couple weeks it's just exploded. So, I don't know. It seems like lately, it seems like the beginning of this year, all the brands held off from their new releases and kind of were keeping a low profile. And now the last like month or two, it's like every day there's something new, and it's great. Every day I'm trying, having fun with new things, but still gotta play with them a bit. So I am going to use this to remove my makeup, which I have 3 layers of sunscreen on, a layer of foundation, a layer of mineral SPF powder, which, to be honest, I don't have a ton of faith in these things, but I got to buy one of those little tester things. And then mascara, and that's about it. So not a ton of makeup, but a lot of sunscreen, which can be tricky to use. And then after I use this, I'm going to do a toner over a cotton pad just to see how much residue is left. They do mention you can use it with a double cleanse with their other cleanser, their Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, which is very nice and gentle. I'm just going to see how much this can take off on its own. So here we go. And the mascara I'm using is the Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions, which is a tubing mascara and can be tricky to remove. Generally, the less you do to remove it, the better off you're going to be, because really it just requires a little bit of water and a little bit of pressure, and that's about it. So this jar is gigantic, I will say. It might be a little deceiving because it seems like you're getting just a ton of product, but the jar is huge. But you still get more product than, I don't know, on average. Maybe not. Let's see, this one, Vanilla Coat is, it doesn't say anywhere how much is in here, does it? Huh. Well, the sizes look similar. I don't know. I'm surprised this doesn't say, it's got to say somewhere. But if it does, I'm not seeing it. So, okay. I digress. Okay, so I'm going to take a generous amount and smooth it over my skin, and it definitely has fragrance in it. It's not too overwhelming. It's rather light, and you're going to rinse most of, or all of that down the drain anyway, so say smooth it and massage to skin for up to 1 minute. What happens at 1 minute and 10 seconds, I want to know. I don't know, but anytime I'm driving in my car anywhere, the music's playing, I just feel like I could be a singer. Anyway, maybe that'll be my next career. I'll break the top 10 charts or something. Oh, with that voice, I don't know. Okay. I don't know, is the camera following me? I can't really tell. Okay, it is. Okay. So I've got this washcloth, which I'll use for my mascara if I need it. Okay. Okay, so I just kind of patted my skin dry. I didn't even need my washcloth because those mascara lashes came off really easily. Hang on, let me recenter. Okay, so now I'm going to use a cotton pad with the Wish Trend Quad Active Boosting Essence, which I haven't reviewed yet, but I just got a backup of it, so I'll review it one of these days if you guys want me to. Okay, so it goes on my cotton pad clean. And let's see what is left. If anything. It's a lot of layers of sunscreen. Hi, Ike. Hang on. Ike wants to come in. Hi. Ike's here. You guys want to see Ike? Does that work if... There you go. He's a Pooh Bear. He's like Winnie the Pooh for dogs. So I will say this cleansing balm pretty much did a good job. I mean, there's a little bit on there, but not a ton. I would say probably if you wear mascara, like a tubing mascara, I'm thinking you'll probably want to do a second cleanse afterwards, just because of the little amount of mascara that was still left over. It's not a ton, but it's pretty clean for the most part. That did a pretty good job, I will say. This cotton pad is terrible, though. It's like disintegrated. Yeah, I think it did a pretty good job. So I'm impressed with it. Not a super fan of the fragrance in there. They didn't really need to include that. It goes down the drain anyway. But my skin doesn't feel dry or tight afterwards. It just feels normal. It's still drying a bit, but so far it seemed to do a pretty good job. I've used cleansing balms that are much trickier to use. Ring any bells? But this one was pretty easy, straightforward, and melted really nicely. I don't know. I still really like my hand skin pore cleansing balm, but this one has a little bit of fragrance in it too, to be honest. So anyway, now I'm going to put a mask on and hop in the shower. And the mask I'm going to use is the Kinship Mint Mud. And I am also wondering when skincare brands are going to stop including mints, peppermint, wintergreen, spearmint, yada, 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 you name it. Mint is not great for your skin. It's nice for a scent, or maybe like a scent in a hairspray or something, but it's not great for your skin. It's rather drying and potentially irritating based on your skin type. But this one, I don't know. I'm into Kinship lately. I also got their moisturizer, and I really like their sunscreen. So anyway, so it's very green. And I don't even think I need a spatula. Maybe I'll just do this. So I'm probably going to leave this on for 5 minutes or so, and then in the shower, when I'm washing my hair, I'll rinse it off. But you can definitely feel the mint. A little bit of tingles. I feel I'm going to rinse this off like immediately. Because my skin, I can already tell, is like tingling in not a good way. Wah, wah. Yep. That one's got to go. My face is on fire. Hang on. quite anticipate that happening, but when your face is on fire, you gotta rinse it off. So instead of that mask, which I gave a fair chance to, but after 5 seconds, my skin was like, oh my God, I think I probably just aged like 10 years within those 5 seconds. Anyway, I think I'm just going to scavenge hunt for a snail mucin mask to soothe my skin after that trauma, that 5 seconds of trauma. Oh, also, I don't know if any of you guys have heard this. One of my subscribers mentioned it to me. I'm going to try this tonight. So we'll see. Lamellar water. Gotta try anything once, right? So anyway, interested in hearing your guys' thoughts on these events in the last 20 minutes. It's been crazy 20 minutes. And right before I was set to record, Lincoln came in running in, covered with mud. So I gave him a shower. Now I'm going to hop in the shower. So anyway, thank you guys so much. And I'll see you more later.